Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. Today we will prove theorem number 1. Its statement is any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints. It means if there is a line segment, suppose this is a line segment, AB is the line segment. If there is a line segment means this is a line segment A, B, and a right bisector. Right bisector means a line which divide this line bisector into two equal parts passing through its midpoint. It is a midpoint of AB. Suppose this is C point, and a line passing through this point, it is the midpoint. This is a line segment. AB is the line segment and this one is its right bisector. Right bisector means it passes through its midpoint and dividing this line into two equal parts. And there is a point P on it. This is a point P. They said prove that this point is equidistant from point A and B. A and B are endpoints of line segment AB. This is the statement. Now we will draw the line segment and its right bisector, and then we write the given. This is given. Secondly, we will write given. A line segment, a line LM intersects the line segment AB at the point C. As you look here, according to this figure, we will write the given. Line LM intersect the line segment AB at point C such that LM perpendicular to AB. This LM is perpendicular to AB and AC is congruent to BC. When this line bisects this line segment AB into two parts, then the name of these two parts will be AC and CB, and both are equal in measurement. So we will write AC is congruent to BC. This is the sign of congruency. This is the sign of congruency. So we write here AC is congruent to BC, and point P is a point on LM. This is the point P on LM. And you know that LM is making 90 degrees with line segment AB. So LM is perpendicular to AB. To prove, in this theorem we prove that AP, this line A to P and A to P to B, P to A and P to B are congruent. This point P is, they said prove that P is equidistant from this point. So the distance from P to A becomes AP and P to B distance is PB. So we write this distance as PA or AP, and they said prove that they are equal. So we write here equality, and this is the sign of congruency. So we write PA is congruent to PB. this is our to prove. They said prove that this point is equidistant. It's mean this point is lying at a same distance from A and from B. Means this distance and this distance is equal to each other. So we write here to prove PA is congruent to PB. Now we will write construction. Construction means we will change the diagram according to our requirement, and like this. Now we join this point P to A like this. By scale we will join this point P to A and P to B like this. And there is a right angle at C on both sides. There are right angles on both sides. This is right angle, means angle of 90 degrees, and this is also a right angle, measurement of 90 degrees. So the final diagram will be like this. This is the diagram of theorem number 1 after construction. Okay. First of all, we will draw only two lines, AB and LM, and then we join point P to A and B with the help of scale. And the proof will be on the next video.